Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing parts and opening one earbud now. You need the tiny driver, its wires, and a Bluetooth receiver with small amplifier. Make sure the battery is 7V and charged. Once the shell is off, trace the left, right, and ground wires by continuity or by gently touching leads while playing a tone. You should be able to see which wire is positive versus ground. If you already have matching drivers, move on to cleaning solder points and tinning wires immediately. Once done identifying wires, mount the BT receiver and amplifier so they sit without stress. Use solder left and right driver leads to the amp outputs and connect the common ground. Make sure solder joints are clean and brief to avoid heat damage. If your module requires 5V, add a regulator between the 7V battery and module and decouple with a 10 micro F capacitor. Make sure the antenna has clearance from metal and that you insulate exposed joints with heat shrink or hot glue to prevent shorting. You now finalize assembly. Position drivers with correct orientation and enough air gap for base, secure the battery and module, then close the enclosure while leaving access to charging and buttons. Pair with a phone and play music. Adjust volume and balance. Make sure charging works and the battery isn't reversed. If you get no sound, check for a cold solder joint, incorrect driver polarity, or a missing ground. Resolder suspicious joints and verify continuity. Once fixed, seal the case and enjoy your speaker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.